Okay.
I am Rill.
And I am Claire, and it's great to be back, and we're really excited because we're going to paint our faces today using
the Kid First Face Paint Kit.
ta-da!
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, look at all those awesome colours in there. What do you get in there, really?
So it's glitter, a sponge, this rainbow face paint, and black, blue, green, red, yellow, white, and a paintbrush. And it comes with this big card at the back and another small card.
Okay, and today we are going to paint a butterfly on our face. So you can buy this kit at the Looney bin, which is in the Fantry Gully and in Melbourne. It's $25 and you can paint your face, and this is what we're going to do today.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. Paint your face at home, have some fun.
Do it for like
paint your brother or a sister's face, or even paint your mum or dad, which would be pretty cool, wouldn't it?
I painted your face and Daddy's.
Yeah, today, however, we're going to paint our own face, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So, let's get out our sponge first. Oh, okay. So, first things first, you're going to need a, what's that thing?
A towel.
Yes, you're going to need like a face washer or some paper toweling is fine. But a face washer or a hand towel, just dry, a cup of nice clean water, and you're going to need a clean face too. So make sure you get your mum and dad to wipe it or go and wash it in the bathroom when you come back.
Will need baby wipes.
You may need wipes to get it off. We'll see. First things first, we're going to get our sponge. Now, I'm using a bigger sponge today, but this is the one you get because you've got a smaller face than me. And what we're going to do is we're going to dip it in the water. We're going to submerge it all the way in, and we're going to squeeze it. Just bring that out over here. Yeah. And then we're going to just dab it there. We're going to leave it there whilst we get out
Put on our towels.
the rainbow cake. It's called a one-stroke cake, and it's got lots of cool rainbows on it. Yeah, they are. And this is made by Face Paints Australia, and they're in Melbourne. So we dip that in.
So we need to dip it in water. Then we let it soak out to get all of. So then it's damp, and then we put it there to get our cake.
Yep. So here, I'm going to show them. With your sponge, you're going to go like that.
Oh.
Now this is on the rounded bit, the super rounded bit. And then you go all the way around. Sounds like that. So we're going round all the way like that. Hey. There we are.
So my tiny ears, Mommy.
Now I'm going to do that for myself. Look at that. Now what we're going to do, and you follow me really, watch me what I do, okay? We're just going to plonk it in a diagonal going up that way, alright? So we're just going to plonk it on there. And we're just going to go plonk like that, alright? So we're going to stripe.
But can I have a look?
Yep, so we go plonk up like that. That's it. Now, if you need to add a little bit into this corner here, you just plonk it and roll it down a little like that on the angle on the side. That's it. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do the bottom part. Yeah, so this bit, see this here? You've got that up there like that. And then you just roll that down like that. So you plonk that bit there. Like that. And you have to be super gentle on your face. You don't need to smack it in there. It's just nice and soft and gentle, okay? So then we can do the other side. Now you have to make sure that the green is here, so we make sure the green is there. So we just go plonk again. And you can roll it up like that. Or you can just plonk it on there. On a diagonal.
Plonk.
And then roll it down so you just get the purple there. Like that.
I don't know how to roll it down.
Or pink. Whatever's going on. Whatever colour. Yeah, that looks great. And if you're not happy with the way it's going, which is fine, you just grab your paper towel and you make an outline.
Now we're doing the bottom.
What sort of shape do you want here though? What do you reckon that sort of shape is? What does a butterfly wing shape look like?
Sort of round, I guess.
Sort of round, but it comes down to a point, so it's a bit like a teardrop.
Yeah.
Almost, isn't it? Alright, now, if you need to put more paint on, you put more paint on, but you have to make sure that it matches up. So if I roll that on there, the colours are back to front. So we need to go back like that and just roll and get some fresh stuff.
My paper towel.
Yeah, it's all good. Don't mess it up too much, otherwise it'll go everywhere. And well, we're just having fun. We're just painting our face. Butterfly. So now we grab this one and again, and we go on a diagonal going down this way. And all you do is plonk it on. You don't need to move it around. Down here, up there, around here. Just plonk it right there. Like that. And if it needs a little bit more in this corner, you roll up. But you keep your eyes closed. Right? Sort of. One eye closed, one eye open. Yep. That's it. Now, I need to make sure the green's on the top again. Don't I?
Is that what I
So,
did?
I'm getting confused.
But at the end, we can get our black, which is in this kit, and outline it. So
Yep.
it'll look much better.
Yep. And you don't even have to use black. You can use any colour you like.
Yeah.
Alright. So that's the base, right?
The base.
Now we're going to get this one.
Yes.
Okay. And we're going to pick up our paintbrush, which comes and it sits in there.
Yeah, but I...
What colour are you going to use?
Maybe... Wait, but we have to
Colour
dip it
am I
in?
gonna use? Hang on. What colour? Pick your colour first.
Oh. I might use... blue.
Blue. Okay.
Maybe. I don't know.
I'm going to use... Yeah, I reckon blue would be pretty cool.
Black.
I'm going to use blue too. What are you going to use?
Blue.
Alright. So what you need to do to get the paint on is because it's water-based activated paint. Water activated. So we need to dip our brush in. Woo, look, we've got heaps of water. Yay, too much. Okay, so you just dab it there, just a little. Just a little dab. Okay. Now we get the paint and we go back and forth and round about. Okay, so what you're looking for is you're trying to make paint in there. Okay, because this is all dry paint and you need to make it wet paint. Okay, so if you need more water, you just dip that in there, just a little tiny bit, and then you go like this. And what you're looking for is paint thickness, and that's all there, and it's not running, it's not dripping off, it's all nice and paint like. So when you go like that, it's not running everywhere. Okay,
it's running. You don't want it running.
No, you don't. So I'm going to show. Yeah, go for it. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it runs. We're going to put lots of paint on there. And then you get it, and it's all watery and runny. So, see like that?
And you can always get more paint.
That's right. You just might not need much water. So what I do is I just take some off there. And then see how this is making really nice creamy thickness. It's not dripping. And I can put it on there like that. So now let's outline our butterflies. Okay, now for the easiest way to do it, you start at the top and go down. And you don't need to go all the way down, even just to your eyebrow is fine. And then you do some squiggles down around to the base of your eye. Well, to the corner of your eye. And I reckon I need some more paint, so I'm going to get some more paint. You might need a bit more water on your brush, honey, just a little bit. Okay, so we're going to get some more. Okay. And we're going to do the other side. So it's just one line down there, just to the eyebrow, and then a squiggly line into the corner there.
Wait, you like can do your butterfly however, like I
That's
can.
right, you can do it. And look, mine's not matching, it doesn't matter. Now we get...
I don't like mine really.
Some more paint. Now we're going to outline this one, and we're going to start at the very bottom, and we're going to go do a line up to this corner. Not all the way, it doesn't have to be all the way. And then we're going to do squiggles into that corner again. So there.
I got some paint
And
on my
then
hair.
squiggle into the corner. Like that. Now we're going to paint two more lines in here. So we're going to start at one of the squiggles here and just go flick, flick. See that? Flick, flick. Honey, this is the first time for you.
Yeah, I know.
It's not my first time, although it looks like it. Okay, and then we're going to do two more lines here. So 1, 2, and just in there somewhere. And repeat on the other side. So we go down here. And then here. There we go. And then we're going to do a body. So we're just going to do one line there. And then, I need my mirror. And then we're going to go do the antennae. We're going to go swirl, swirl. Look at that! Now we're going to wash our brush out. See that? I'm not digging it in. I'm just dancing it around in the water. And then I'm going to dry it off a little bit.
Does that look good?
That looks awesome. And now we're going to grab our white. And you'll know if you've washed your brush out really well because it won't be white. It'll be blue in there if it's not washed well. Now, we'll get some more paint. See how I'm making a nice creamy little consistency there.
Where's the white gone?
So it sticks on my paintbrush. It's not dripping off and it's not all dry, and I can get it on my face, my butterfly. Then all we're going to do is some dots. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I put some down.
And if you like, we can do some dots here.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the middle there, we're going to do a star. I'm going to show you how to do a star.
We're going to do a star?
Yep. We're going to go 1 flick out, 2 flicks out, 3 and 4. And then you just do some dots around it in a diagonal line there. See? You can add more if you want.
What are you guys doing?
Here, I'll show you. Hang on. Watch. You go flick out, flick out, flick out, flick out.
Oh, cool.
And just did another one there.
So, flick out. Oh, wait. Flick out, flick out, flick out.
Flick, flick, our brush out. We don't leave our brush in the water. It'll wreck your brush really quickly. And then we just tap it dry. And we leave it there to dry. Okay. So what's the last thing that we need?
A face.
We've got a face.
Glitter!
Glitter! That's what we need. Oh, you've opened the glitter. Look how pretty and sparkly that is.
The colour, it looks really nice.
So sparkly. Wow, that is super sparkly. I wonder if that comes up on the screen. Anyhow, alright, so what we do is we get our little finger, we dip it in the water, and then we dry it off a little. Just a little, so it's damp, so your finger's damp. And then we come along and we get
like
this.
how the brush was damp.
Look at that. And then we just dab it on our
face wherever you want it.
Yeah. That's right. Now it's always good to get it when your face is a bit wet, when the paint's still a bit wet, because then the glitter sticks. The other way you can do it is grab a pinch and sprinkle some fairy dust on.
Oh, I want to do that.
And then ta-da, we've got some butterflies. What do you reckon?
Mine's bad, yours good.
Yours is great.
Sparkles.
Yours is great, honey.
Oh, you have a star up there. I thought
Yeah.
we were doing it in the middle.
Doesn't matter where you do start. It's all about wherever you want it to be.
Okay, well, are we going to do something else now?
Do you want to?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
It's fun.
Well, we're going to show you a friend of ours. We're going to introduce you to a new friend we've got. And we're going to wash our faces and come back with our new friend. And
Yeah, she's so cute.
she is so cute. Okay, so when you're ready to go again, you have to wash your face off. Now, you can use baby wipes. They are good,
Yeah.
although they're not that good for the environment. So what I do for my own self is I grab a little bit of soap and I rub it around my face, and I don't go near my eyes, even though the paint's there.
Like that.
And I wash it off with the face washer. Even if you get a face washer with a little bit of soap on it and rub it around your face.
Yeah, I've got 2 face
Oh,
washers.
looks like I'm using one of them.
Looks like I'm having both of them.
And we'll be back with clean faces and a friend. And if you're gonna do a face paint with your kit, you have to show us, don't they?
Yeah. You're gonna have to show
Yeah, you have
us.
to send us the photo so we can show everyone
And then
how
can
good
we-
yours were too.
And then can we do a rainbow after we've
Oh my
shown them our
gosh.
friend?
Yeah.